Imagine you are underwater or just playing a game of chicken with your own lungs. How long can you actually last before your body decides to take over? Before we continue, hit subscribe to Fact Drops for simple facts that actually make sense. At first, it feels easy. You take a deep breath, settle in, and enjoy the silence. Your heart rate slows down as your body enters a waiting game. But after about 30 seconds, the comfort starts to fade. You aren't actually running out of oxygen yet, but your brain is already sending out the first warning signals. You might feel a strange warmth in your chest or a slight tickle in your throat. This is the quiet before the storm, where your willpower is still in control. Soon, the urge to inhale becomes an undeniable physical demand. Your diaphragm begins to twitch and pulse, trying to force your lungs to expand against your will. This is the struggle phase. Your chest feels like it's tightening, and every second feels like a minute as your internal alarm system starts screaming for air. Your face might flush, and a heavy pressure builds behind your eyes. You are now fighting a biological battle against one of your most basic survival instincts. If you push past this point, your vision might start to blur or go gray at the edges. Your brain is beginning to ration its remaining resources to stay conscious. Just before the limit, a strange sense of calm can sometimes wash over you. But don't be fooled. This is your body's final attempt to keep you from panicking. If you refuse to give in, your brain has a kill switch. It will simply knock you unconscious, forcing you to go limp so that your breathing restarts automatically. It is a perfect built-in safety net. Your body would rather flip the power switch than let you cause permanent damage to your vital systems. You can try to hold your breath, but in a contest between your mind and your body, the body always gets the last word. Don't push your luck.